Alright, well, remember earlier I talked about that Great British Pound US dollar setup? I had a target up in this area around the 149, 149.50 area. The pair did not make it. It shot up to 148.57 and then it started to bounce down. Now that doesn't mean that this target still won't be hit, but it could also be headed down. This might be the final resistance area because this is a very strong resistance area. So that's why we always look at the charts and the signals. We can make expectations and guesses as to where we think the market will go, but we really never know exactly what's going to happen. And sometimes we can get pretty good at guessing and trying to forecast where the market's going to go, but even with that we still don't know. That's why we try to find candlestick patterns that will produce high quality setups. And in this case we have a couple different things that are showing us a high quality setup. And the first one is this resistance. You can see how much trouble it had. It tried to break through, didn't make it, and now we're closing down. So that's number one. Number two is we have this channel up here. You can see that it's kind of been bouncing off the walls of the channel and been heading back down. So that's the second thing. So we have the resistance and we have the channel. And now the third thing that is giving me an indication that this is time to go short will be this candle is closing lower. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 higher candles, then we have a piercing candle, and now we're starting to drop. So let me go ahead and zoom up so I can show you a better look. Alright, so you can see here that we are up 4 candles in a row, and now we have dropped back down. Okay, so for me to get a valid entry signal, it has to close lower than the close of the previous candle. You have to have a strong upward momentum, a minimum of 3 candles up. That's how I like to do it. And right here we have 4, which is fine. And then this piercing candle here, I guess some people call it a shooting star. When we see that, that's another signal as well. And so if this closes below that, I'm going to enter this trade short. The current time is 12:58, so right now I got about 2 minutes to wait before I enter on this trade. And I'm going to put my target down here at the bottom of this trend wall here around the 147 area, and I'm going to place my stop right above this high candle. So I have a very limited risk and a very high reward, which is what we want to do in trading. And I will also probably move my stop once I get up to about a 20 pip profit level. So I'm currently waiting for this candle to open, the next candle. When it opens, as soon as we see it open, I'm going to go ahead and enter. According to my clock, I have about 30 seconds to go. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my box by doing a create market order. And I'm going to sell it. I'm going to put my stop at 146. Oh, there it opened, and my limit around 147. So I'm going to go ahead and, well, let's see, 148.63. My stop was, that's about right. 147. I'm just going to go down to 147.13. Okay. So now the trade is on. There's my stop. There's my limit. And I'll come back and report. Now the very next thing that I'm going to go do right now is I'm going to go put this in my trading log so I have accurate results. And I'm going to take a screenshot and I'm going to do the whole deal so that I know exactly what happened. Okay, great. Thank you.